Srimatre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 6th June 2025, Vaigashi Masam 23rd. Vishwavasunama Samvatsaram Uttarayanam, Vasantarado, Vaigashi Masam, that is Rishabha Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 6:44 next day morning, Ekadashi, then Dwadashi, Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday, Nakshatram up to 9:05 a.m. Hasta Nakshatram, then Chitrai Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guliyagalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam for Kumbharashi, Shraddha Tithi Ekadashi, Prayachitam Jangari.